dream of lands near and far, where the moonbeams touch the sea, and the world is wild and free. Rockabye, just you and I. Through the night, the stars will fly. Gentle breezes hum a tune underneath the sleepy moon. Count the sheep as they leap into fields where fairies keep magic tales and silver streams, lullabies and endless dreams. Rockabye, just you and I. Through the night, the stars will fly. Gentle breezes hum a tune underneath the sleepy moon. In your dreams, the flowers sing. Unicorns with glitter wings, candy clouds and chocolate skies sleep, my love, in lullabies. Rockabye, just you and I. Through the night, the stars will fly. Gentle breezes hum a tune underneath the sleepy moon. Twilight kisses the sky. Stars begin to climb high. Moon whispers lullabies. Close your little eyes. Night wind sings so sweet. Clouds are your soft retreat. Crickets play their beat. Drift on restful feet. Dreamy night, hush now, dear. Mommy's love always near. Angels keep you in sight. Sleep tight, sleep tight. Counting sheep in the field. Magic dreams are revealed. Slumber wraps like a shield. Heartfelt calm is healed. Fireflies show their light, guiding you through the night. Warm in bed, hold me tight. Everything's just right. close your eyes. Dreams await you, sweet surprise. Sleepy whispers on the breeze. Nighttime holds you with such ease. Close your eyes now, little one, till the morning brings the sun. Fireflies dance in the night, guiding you with tiny light. Sail on, dreams so pure and bright. All is calm till day takes flight. Softly cuddle if you're bare. Teddy keeps you safe and fair. Rock-a-bye, my sweetie dear, till the morn will hold you near. Sleepy whispers on the breeze. Nighttime holds you with such ease. Close your eyes now, little one, new day's light has drawn. Rest your head, the night is near. Dream sweet dreams away from fear. Twinkle stars will guard your sleep in the night's embrace so deep. Little stars in the sky so high, twinkling dreams as you close your eyes. Sleepy whispers of the night, guiding you to morning light. Dreamland calls you to its shore, adventures wait behind the door. Magic carpets take you far, riding on a shooting star. Moonlight beams through your window pane, washing worries down the drain. Softly drift to slumber sea, where your heart's forever free. Hush now, love, just close your eyes. In your dreams you'll find your skies. Clouds like pillows, soft and white, cradle you in gentle night. Candy fields and rainbows gleam, everything sweeter in your dream. Unicorns and fairies bright, playing games till morning light. Dreamland calls you to its shore, adventures wait behind the door. Magic carpets take you far, riding on